Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform t-test in Excel. Let's get started. I've collected data on two groups, males and females. Each group consists of 9 participants, and I've recorded their heights in centimeters. The aim here is to compare the heights between males and females. Since these groups are independent, we'll perform an independent t-test. There are several ways to conduct t-test in Excel, but I'll show you the easiest method. To perform a test in Excel, start by clicking on an empty cell where you want the results. Then click on the Insert Function button. Look for the function called t-test and select it. In the new window that appears, you'll need to input 4 things. Array 1. Select the data for the first group. Array 2. Choose the data for the second group. Number of tails. Enter 1 for a one-tailed analysis or 2 for a two-tailed analysis. In this example, we'll use 2 since we're not concerned about the direction of the difference. For the type, we'll assume equal variance between groups and select option 2, indicating a two-sample equal variance test. Once you've input these details, Excel will provide the p-value. This is the significance level of our test. Press OK and the cell you selected will display the p-value, indicating the statistical significance of the difference in heights between males and females. And that's how you perform a t-test in Excel. It's a powerful tool for the statistical analysis. Feel free to explore the functions and formulas further as you become more confident with Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.